Hey, this is Garrett McAllister with Clean Direct and SkyVac located in Sanford, North Carolina. Today we're going to take just a few minutes to talk about some of the tools that come with the SkyVac gutter cleaning systems. So what you see here on this board is a set of tools that come standard with the kit. If you're purchasing the SkyVac Interceptor, the SkyVac 85, or the SkyVac Sonic Atom, you would receive a kit which includes a 135-degree rigid neck carbon fiber tool with the expanded center to prevent clogging, a long end tool. This is an aluminum material that can go down into the downspout. This is what we call a daily end tool, or this is a plastic type, very light tool for your day-to-day cleaning within the gutter. We also have what we call a dual tool, which has a scalloped end on one end and a dirt breaker end on the other. And then we have a reducer tool. So we've taken a piece metal end and reduced it to create a little bit more suction on the end. And then we also have a crevice tool. So this is going to go down into the space whenever roofing shingles cover part of the gutter, which happens quite frequently. This will allow you to get down in there and clean that section out. What we also have are a couple optional tools. This is a blower tool. So this will allow you to hook up to your pole set using the blower function on the Interceptor and the Sonic, which allows you to have a stronger stream kind of blowing at the point up where you're cleaning. And also we have an optional hose bag. This comes as an accessory, additional accessory if you're purchasing most of our systems. It is included if you purchase an Interceptor. And then over here we have a bunch of tools that are extra. These are just different tools that can be used in different situations. So we have a 180 carbon fiber tool, which will allow you to clean from directly underneath the gutter in case there's some type of obstruction that's keeping you from cleaning at the normal 135-degree angle. We have a 90-degree carbon fiber tool. This will allow you to stand up on a roof or on a scaffolding or a ladder. We don't recommend that, but if you have to do it, you may want to use this to clean just directly across and down. There's some special circumstances where that could come in handy. We also have the Viper tool, which is a very aggressive tool. Metal prongs allow you to get into the gutter and pull out trees and really heavy, thick debris that you just need to be really aggressive with. We also have a tool that we originally called the big mouth tool, but it's a funnel type tool, and we call it the high flow tool. And what this does is it gives you kind of an oblong scooping action into the gutter, originally designed for pine needles, but can be used in lots of different types of debris scenarios. And then we have what we call the multi-tool. This allows you to go into the top of the pole and bring a water line and attach a brush. So you could turn your vacuum poles into a water-fed style pole. And then we have a straight carbon fiber tool holder. So if you needed to go dead on to something, you could just straight. And then last but not least, we have a hose-to-hose connector. So all the systems come with the hose, usually between 20 and 25 feet. But if you wanted to add a secondary hose, you could just to get extra strength, and we would use that by connecting the hoses just like this. Of course, if you do add an additional hose, it will reduce the suction the further you go out.